Welcome back, Action Pack football fans. It's more 1994 Action Pack football regular. A little update. Box 3, Box 6, Box 10, all 24 karat golds. I got them right there. Ron Moore, Barry Sanders, and Barry Sanders. So, all right. This is a hobby box. This is a promo pack with it. I'm going to take and put it over to the side. I'm going to have a video on promo packs at the very end, which will be video number 21 out of this opening. And get this out of the box. Oh, I'm definitely getting my wife to help me clean up this office when I'm done. I got so much freaking trash in here from these boxes. It's unreal. Okay. What we got in here is quarterback challenge. Those are the quarterback club, basically. Warp speed, running backs, catching fire, receivers, fantasy forecast, a mixture of different players in it. Kind of like highlight cards in a way. 24 karat golds. That's why we're opening this up. We're hunting 24K. So far out of, now this is 11 boxes, I've gotten 2 cards for my PC. I got one Barry Sanders, one Ron Moore. The other Barry Sanders, I may put that up on eBay, see what I can get for it. If I can get 500 bucks for it, great. If I get $5 for it, that'll be a sad day. Anyway, okay, these are really hard to get. They're 1 in 96 packs. So, all right, here we go. Box number 1, pack number 1. I mean, box 11, pack number 1. So, Brett Favre. Move these packs out of the way a little bit here. Bennett, Jeffries, Robinson, Fryer. Barry Sanders, warp speed. Whoop! I only make that sound with Emmett and Barry, by the way. So the other ones I don't care too much about, unless it's a 24K I need. Bernstein, Sayal, Barry Foster, fantasy forecast. Brooks, is that a Braille? It sure is. That's a Braille. And is this sent as a Braille too? It sure is. 2 Brailles back to back. Sterling Sharp catching fire. Still looking for Shannon Sharp's catching fire. Unreal. Why that hasn't popped yet. It's like repetitive. Thurman Thomas, fantasy forecast. Brown, O'Neal, Moore, Lott, and Andre Rison catching fire. Okay. Fletcher, Butler, Warren Moon catching fire. I mean, jeez. Wow, you can tell I've been doing this too long today. Fantasy forecast, Warren Moon. Townsend. Is that a Braille? Nope. I bet Esiason's a Braille. Sure enough. And Jerry Rice catching fire. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, every time I got a checklist, there was a gold card in there, so I've gotten 3 checklists, 3 gold cards. So this means there's probably a gold, well, most likely a gold card in here. Now there's a Barry Sanders hit on the back. I hope boy, wouldn't that be crazy if there's another Barry Sanders gold card in here? Okay, yeah, wow, same first card above it. All right, you got Brisby. It's a catching fire. Oh, is that Michael Irvin? Boom, baby, yeah! Yeah! Woo! Oh my goodness! Hell yeah! Baby, that's what I'm talking about. 24K Michael Irvin. Oh yeah! Back in the old day, I didn't even have this card then. Wow, I had Jerry Rice twice, but I never had a Michael Irvin. 24K. Boom, baby! All right, I'm gonna top load this up. That is awesome. That is awesome. 24K Michael Irvin. The only other star I need in the Catching Fires is the Jerry Rice 24K. Oh, that is awesome. I was worried there might be another Barry Sanders. I mean, I wouldn't worry too much about it. I mean, that's a great card. It'd sell on eBay for sure if I wanted to sell it. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Beautiful card. Never had this card in my life. Of all the years I did money or Action Pack football, I never pulled this card or saw this card. This is the first time for me, guys. Oh, that is a beautiful thing. So box 3, 6, 10, and 12 now have produced 24K cards. And I still have 8 boxes left. So, oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, that is awesome. All right, we need to stop going through the rest of these packs because there's no more gold cards in here. We'll have this box anyway. All right. Let's go, baby. Woo! Gilbert, Spillman. Oh, my first Rice fantasy forecast from this stuff. And Barry Sanders warp speed on the back. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, that makes me happy. I'm a happy guy. So happy. Oh, yes. All right. Elway. McDaniel. Fantasy forecast, Steve Young. Green. Green again. Jerome Bettis, warp speed. Wow, that is crazy. You guys know I'm a Cowboys fan, so that makes it even better. Oh, beautiful. That made my night. Well, I made my night when I pulled the first berry. The second one's like, yeah, it's just in the berry. Fancy forecast. Swelling, green, worn, Udumus, and warp speed. Oh, I forgot to say when I pulled this. Woo! By the way. All right, Eric Pingram. Okay. Oh, yeah. This is great times. What I'm worried is I'm blowing my load early, and what I mean by that is I have 2 more boxes on the floor, so I'm due 1 more gold card, and these are technically ratioed 1 in 96 packs, so it should be 5 total gold cards overall, if it's done right, unless there's some sort of mishap. Barry Sanders, not a Braille. Smith, not a Braille. Woo! Michael Irvin, fantasy forecast. Nickerson, Kirby, and Marcus Allen, warp speed. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Good times. I don't know if I'm more excited about this stuff now or was I more excited when I was a younger man in my 20s. White, Braille card. Dent. Herman Moore, fantasy forecast. Cobb. Cox. Thurman Thomas. Okay. Elway fantasy forecast. Sharp. Green. Jones. Jackson. Ricky Waters. Warp speed. Wow. You know, I saw that blue or that white shirt with the 2 blue stripes. I'm like, oh, is that Michael Irvin? It's gotta be. Oh, that's so awesome. Harris. O'Donnell. Is that Braille? No. Barry Sanders. Fantasy forecast. Back to back. Marino. Emmitt Smith, warp speed. Whoop. Yeah, I'm a dork, I know. Marino's on top. Fantasy forecast. Okay, Hostetler. Is that a Braille? Nope. Humphreys. Barry Foster. Another Brett Favre. Man. Hamilton. All right, get some stack out of the way a little bit here. Okay, we're about a little over halfway on this box. Okay, Elway. Fantasy forecast. Bennett, Humphreys, Robinson, Jackson, and Eric Pingram. Warp speed. Is that going to be a Braille? It is. Braille, Reggie White. Sayal. Barry Sanders fantasy forecast. Cobb. Another Marino. Marcus Allen, warp speed. All right, fantasy forecast. Barry Foster, Bernstein, Butler, Brooks. Is it a Braille? It is a Braille. Lott and Ricky Waters, warp speed. Tim Brown, Marcus Allen, Johnny Mitchell, fantasy forecast. Moore, Syson. That's probably gonna be a Braille. It is. And Emmitt Smith, warp speed. Whoop! Plastic came off wrong. Warren Moon, fantasy forecast. Fletcher, Brown, Townsend. Is that a Braille? Nope. Lott. Another Brett Favre QB club. Man, I think I've gotten 20 of that one card. Pritchett. McDaniel. Haynes. Baxter. Moore. And Sterling Sharp. Okay. Catching fire. All right. Man, I get a lot of this card. Deion Sanders. Green. Kennedy. Is that a Braille? It is. It's a Braille. Cortez Kennedy. Sherman and Andre Reed catching fire. Man, I still can't believe I got that Michael Irvin gold. That's awesome. That is awesome. All right, Jeff George. Smith, is that Braille? No. Steve Young, fantasy forecast. That black is not really good on there. Simmons. Green. Jerry Rice catching fire. Come on, let me pull this card in this box opening. Man. I'll be 2 for 2 on receivers that I'm looking for. All right, fantasy forecast. Terry Kirby. Pyramid. Jeffries. Blades, Dumas, and Tim Brown catching fire. Okay, John Elway, Dent. Michael Irvin Fantasy Forecast. Green. Kirby. Ron Moore. Warp Speed. Brett Favre Fantasy Forecast. Schilling. Swelling. Green. Warren. Fryer. Ronnie Hampton. Warp Speed. Yeah, I'm just raking into the Warp Speeds on this box opening. It's crazy. Okay, last pack, box 12. Come on, give me a Barry Braille. Nope, not a Braille. O'Donnell, Herman Moore, Nickerson, Cox, Jerome Bettis, Warp Speed. Okay. All right, well, that's it for box 12, guys. Nothing special in this box other than Michael Irvin, 24K. Yeah. That is a beautiful card. Man, been sitting in this pack for 30 years. 30 freaking years. Wow. Okay. Well, that's it for box 12, guys. This is 22 Amazon 22 coming at you. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.